we begin with the COVID vaccine for children ages 5 to 11. They can get their shot now. Good evening and thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Glenda Lewis.
And I'm Dave Llewellyn. The final approval couldn't come at a better time. 9,700 new confirmed cases were reported in our state over the last 2 days. That's an average of 4,900 new cases a day, the highest we've seen since April.
Now children are ready to roll up their little sleeves as parents try to schedule appointments. 7 Action News reporter Nana Sentyo Bonsu has more on where parents can sign up and the plea from pediatricians.
Yes, one local doctor's office says they're working around the clock to try and get these COVID-19 vaccine shots in the arms of younger children. Right now, they just want parents to please be patient as they work through the process.
The phone lines at Southfield Pediatric Physicians in Novi are ringing off the hook.
Parents will call and say, "It's approved, when are you giving it?"
Rebecca Bowering is the practice manager at the doctor's office.
We have people that call and say, the president was on TV giving information that the vaccine's available to millions of children, and they feel like you're not giving it to them.
President Joe Biden says the vaccine for younger children is here, but not widely available.
As soon as next week, we'll have enough vaccine and enough places, and parents will be able to schedule appointments to get their kids their first shot.
Some places in Metro Detroit are already administering shots, like IHA Plymouth Pediatrics. Bowering says it's also important for parents to understand that there's a limited supply. She requested hundreds of Pfizer vaccines from the State Health Department for children 5 to 11 and only got a fraction.
Today we received 30 doses. We have patients that think we're withholding it from them. We just don't have it to give.
In the state's recent COVID-19 response update, they say Michigan has maxed out our initial order for 417,000 pediatric doses. There are about 840,000 children between the ages of 5 and 11 in the state.
Certainly here in the U.S., we've seen that the children are one of the fastest rising groups of those infected.
New COVID-19 data shows that over 235,000 children under the age of 20 have experienced COVID-19 in the state of Michigan.
Children make up 1/4 of the cases in this country.
Starting next week, the Oakland County Health Department is teaming up with school districts to host vaccine clinics. In a statement from the medical director, Dr. Russell Faust, he says, "We're excited having the vaccine available for children. It's a huge step in ending the pandemic and the best way to keep our kids healthy and in school. It's also a way to administer more shots and take some of the burden off of doctors' offices."
If they can take advantage of those, that would be great. All the pediatric offices in this area are working very, very hard to accommodate everybody.
For a full list of the upcoming COVID-19 school clinics, visit our website at WXYZ.com. I'm Nana Sentyo Bonsu for 7 Action News.
The most common side effects in kids are sore arm, fever, and chills. Regulators will continue to monitor for myocarditis, which is inflammation of the heart. Although it is a very rare side effect, it is serious.